Incredible. Unforgettable. I'm moving through like a bull. Walking on the beach. I see the boats in the background as I walk with my feet. What a relief. The waves in the ocean. Getting rid of all the commotion. Y'all hear the ocean? It's smooth like lotion. Sort of like a potion. When you dig real deep in it. When you get your feet in it. When you get a little wet. You're not afraid to get a little wet. Even with some seaweed, you get a little wet. Feeling sort of like upset. Like, where's she going with that? I think she's going to take that home and eat that. I can't believe that. She really taking the seaweed out the ocean. How did I catch this on video, man? It was going to be it's going to go viral. I'm talking about viral. She's climbing the mountain like the Eiffel Tower. She's climbing to the top. She got a seaweed in her hand and she just won't stop. Oh no, she's about to hit the jackpot. Yo, she literally where she going with the seaweed, yo? Where is she going with the seaweed? I don't know. She just took it out the ocean. I guess she's like, yo, this is free. I ain't gotta pay for this shit. Take it home. You wanna make me some chop suey seaweed? Woo! She's taking that home, all the way home. Look, she put it in a container. She's taking it all the way home. Oh my Lord. People, how to make it? You boil it.
Okay, just
Boil it in the oven, in the water.
water or we roast on the comal,
Okay.
on the fry pan. We can put, like usually we put soy sauce
Soy sauce.
and garlic and ginger.
Soy sauce, garlic, and ginger, and then you what?
And then salt, and then we saute with tofu.
Oh, tofu.
You know tofu?
Tofu, soy. Oh, okay.
And that's it.
It's good for her.
Yeah.
Good. All right, cool.
If you touch the texture, if it's that kind, you can try. And you check it.
Oh, you can test it. Oh,
You want to try?
oh, let me see. Yeah. So it's the good one.
Yeah, this is very good.
This is the good one.
You don't need to put any. Just you can do like salad, chop
Yeah, it's good.
onion, yeah,
Yeah, it's good.
with onion and sprout.
Oh, so I know about sprouts, so you gotta find a sprout.
You can mix with that like salad.
Oh, okay, nice.
Any kind you like a mix with your salad.
Where you from?
I'm from Guatemala, but now we come from Corona City.
Oh, Guatemala. Okay. Thank you for teaching us. All right, thank you for the lesson. All right. Yo, look at that. I just know how to get seaweed out the ocean and eat it. And you don't even need any seasoning or anything. Right here, right in Cali, yo. So, yo, if there ever a food shortage, guess where I'm coming? Yo, I'm grabbing me some seaweed. Out. This is how it gotta look, something like this. Then you know it's good seaweed, I guess it's sprouted. All right, y'all, that's a lesson. Let's have a food shortage. There you go. Go to the ocean, get some seaweed. Y'all think I'm playing about the seaweed? I'm not joking. I'm talking about free food. She just dig in the ocean. She ain't pay for that. She ain't go to the cash register. She just came out the ocean with some seaweed in her hand and taking it home to cook it up and chef it up. All right, crazy clips, y'all. Y'all see it? We live out here. Super live. Told me she had some.
Yo, we the winners this time. Let's put on our crowns. Got my crown on, Craig the Creator. Yes, nothing's gonna keep us down. I'm moving with a power, got a sonic sound. Vibrating dungeons underground. Shaking up the system with unbeatable bounds. Coming through the court, I bust it down. I'm scoring these points, show you out of bounds. I'm moving with a power from higher ground. So Roger, hoodie on, putting it down. I know you see me coming. I'm flying through the sky, hey Rue, I'm gunning. I'm floating with my wings, about to get something. Snatch it out the air, best believe I'm coming. Shoot, yeah, it's not just a wish. I got the power of the wind flying through my fists. Boom, yo, I puts it down. You feel an earthquake vibrating the ground. You standing on the same ground, I know it's profound. So you feeling my vibration spinning around. This record got 7 billion spins. It's flying through my lungs.
Yeah, y'all. Yo, beautiful out here. Word. Right in the middle of the pandemic, I get to go on a little mini vacation. What's that about? I mean, the universe is good to us, I ain't gonna lie. Real good. University, real good.
Get down with our sound out of our steeple. A temple of God, freeing our people. Opening their minds, don't need a needle. We the power of the sun, a solar people. Burning with fire, we the truth, my people. Forming like Voltron, we see through all of the lies trying to kill our people. We here to stay alive, you know how we do. We got the answer, we the people. Let's come together, strong and lethal. 7 billion spins, it's flying through my lungs, low dose I win.